Away from the Mississippi River, reaching its highest crest in 5 years. Floodwater is well over the train tracks in parts of Davenport. That isn't stopping Canadian Pacific Railways. Local 4's Grace Runkle reports the trains will keep running even when the river is 20 feet deep.
The floodwaters are rising, but luckily for trains coming through Davenport, so are the railroad tracks. Canadian Pacific crews are raising the tracks once again, but this time higher than ever before. In order to keep these trains moving, Canadian Pacific crews have to get them to higher ground. But first, they have to make it. One crew member says they first drop gravel on the tracks. Then a plow comes through to create a smooth surface. Last, an excavator comes in to lift up the ties and set the tracks on top of the rocks. A spokesperson for the crew says they still have several days of work ahead of them, and they've already used about 1,600 tons of gravel. By the time the work is done, the track from the Sky Bridge down to Marquette Street will be several inches higher, and that means the trains can get where they need to right on time. Even though our team of meteorologists predicts that the Mississippi will crest this weekend, crew members tell us that the tracks are going to stay at their new height even after the floodwaters go back down. In Davenport, Grace Runkle, Local 4 News.